Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. Today's we'll try to give you one of the tip how you can actually increase the charging speed and decrease the time taken to charge in this IQ7 device. So you might be wondering why I'm doing this kind of video on this phone which supports 66 watt fast charger, as you can see friends. So because the IQ7 phone is experiencing the slow charging issue in a lot of other mobile phones. So recently, just 2 days back, I did a video on this particular phone, so saying that phone is getting charged because my phone takes about 35 minutes to charge. So I thought this is my more time than the actual granted time from the IQ team, which is 30 minutes. But under this video I did see amazing comments, like shocking comments. I mean, because few of the users, it took about 1 hour to charge, only from 25 to 100%, 52 minutes. And these are other comments, as you can see friends. There's so many comments, not only these 2 comments, but there are so many comments under that video. When I started to read the comments, really I got very shocked after looking into this, and then I figured out how you can actually fast charge the IQ7 device. So you don't need to wait for any kind of update, nothing required, just as it is. I'll try to tell you friends. And in case if this trick works, so make sure to comment below and give this video a like as well. Definitely that will be helpful and motivation for me. And this trick I did try 3 times, and 3 times it worked properly. So let me try to show you friends. This is a 66 watt fast charger. So by using 66 watt fast charger only, first thing, the reason why the phone is taking too much time, because of the temperatures. So the IQ has got a special type of mechanism where with increase of the temperature the charging speed will decrease, but this doesn't apply to the performance of this phone, because as the performance increase, as the temperature increases, the performance won't be decreased in this phone. That's a really amazing thing, which I did a video yesterday as well regarding that, comparing. It went up to 48 degrees, but performance not at all compromised. So the charging speed is affected by the temperature. So you need to maintain the surrounding temperature other than the phone below 40 degrees. So that is one rule. If you cannot maintain the temperature, no problem. The first tip which I'm going to give you is that try to use the guest user. As you can see friends, just tap on the guest user. The reason why I'm asking you to go to the guest user is because in this guest mode there won't be any background applications running. There won't be anything at all. It completely will be empty. So that is the reason why I'm asking you to do, because there should not be any kind of applications running in the background, nothing. So try to disable the Wi-Fi and mobile data as well during this time of testing. So don't try to use anything. So just charge your mobile phone in the guest mode and your phone will be charging within 35 minutes. So that is a result which I observed after doing 3 times continuously testings. So that is what I came into the conclusion, that the phone doesn't accept the high temperatures and even the background processes as well. So that is what I'm trying to do. So just try this kind of tip friends. Make sure to go into the guest mode, and it's very simple to come back as well. So once you tap on that guest and try to go to the owner, so you'll be back to the normal mode as well. So within just 2 taps you'll be able to come back to your normal mode, as you can clearly see friends. So in this way I was able to charge faster. And next thing is to clear all the background applications, as I said. So try to clear all the background applications and try to disable the Wi-Fi, mobile data and all the things. Maybe if you want, you can put in aeroplane mode and try to maintain the temperatures close to 35 degrees. So just close to 35 degrees friends. If the temperature comes close to 40 degrees or 38 and 39, the phone doesn't accept sometimes. It will definitely take long time. And try to use the cable which came along with the box, which is a 66 watt cable only. Don't try to use any other cable. That is another major biggest thing. So this is one of the important tip which I can give you friends. Only in this phone I did observe, not in any other phone, because I did use the previously 65 watt fast charge for a very long time in the Realme phones. The charging speed increased. Yes, I do understand the Realme X1 Pro, now it takes 1 hour. Before it took only 40 minutes. So that is because of the software issue. But IQ7, this phone doesn't have any software issue, but it has got the temperature and the charging issue. So with the temperature, charging speed will decrease definitely in this phone. That is what I did observe in my usage with 15 days. So don't forget to comment below friends. Definitely I need your feedback, whether guest mode is working or not while charging in the IQ7 device. Is it helping you or not while charging faster? So make sure to comment below. The reason why I ask you to use guest mode, because of only no background applications will be running in the phone and the phone cannot get any kind of high temperatures. So that is what I thought of showing you in this video. And make sure to comment below on your feedback, and definitely waiting for your feedback as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.